Epimedium paste is suitable for both men and women. It will help you to improve the general condition of the body, as well as the quality of sexual life. Epimedium paste is indicated to boost your libido and increase potency, as a restorative remedy to increase physical performance in case of prolonged physical and mental fatigue, neurosis and insomnia. It promotes high testosterone levels and myoglobin accumulation in muscle tissues, as well as improves muscle strength and physical endurance. In men, improves erection, prolongs sexual intercourse, increases sensitivity, eliminates premature ejaculation, increases the number of spermatozoa, stimulates sperm motility and improves semen density, improves blood circulation and helps balance blood pressure. It is recommended for prostate adenoma and prostatitis. It improves the condition of the genitourinary system, kidney function and prostate health, as well as the work of the reproductive system. In women, improves glandular secretion, releases estrogen, increases libido. It is also used as a remedy for menstrual disorders, infertility, inflammatory processes in the small pelvis, abnormal ovarian function, mastopathy, hypofunction of the sexual glands, genital inflammatory diseases, and during menopause.